It is trending today. So this one was posted on Nash TV social media where there was a question, and the question was, why are you dating your sister's husband? And one lady by the username Shares Machuma commented, I'm single, I can date whoever I want. The question is supposed to be, why are you dating your wife's sister? The one who is married is the one responsible for protecting and respecting their relationship, not muno arikunzi. Shoot me, but that's the truth. And I want to hear, like, what's your take on this? Mese muri mukati apa mese muri mukati zvasiyana nekungoti munhu aritongotorwa arikunzi muri mukati iwo by virtue of being your sister's sister. That's my thinking. And iyo murumoyo atoriwo mukati by virtue yekuti, you know, there are vows he has to uphold and he's accountable in terms of loyalty to the wife. But we've seen it, you know, happening time and time again. Kuti bamkuru vakutochiva mainini izvo vakutoona mainini semukadzi utosvoti kuzvirofamba sei utotema ani kwapa totema bamkuru here totema mainini totema chi. I'm just thinking, inini my sister's husband kuri kuti andichiva, I will say no straight up name varume vaperere. So ndongoti iye ndiye anopenga anokwana, and I won't play along to that. So in this case ndiye chidotonyanyotema like sister kuti pamwe vakatorawo murume asinokwana, you know, come on. So I want to hear your thoughts on her position and statement yangachita ini ndiri kunze ini ndataura position yangu. You can send a voice note and let's hear your position.
Hi Vikendi, hi Lewe. You know, this situation once happened arikudanana tete wangu and vanava tete wangu, and my father was called because and he called a spade a spade. My father said to that husband who was married to my tete's sister, well, you're an adulterer. You're not a cheat, you're an adulterer. You broke your vows to your wife and you're supposed to grovel at her feet because you have broken your vows. Sister, you're also a problem because you have decided to go out of to be disloyal and also support that adulterer. So vese vatori wrong. We can't split hairs and say this one is wrong, this one is not. Vese vatori wrong.
No, let me stay away, but those are not to buy into what you get my advantage and where could you know consider out Asaka? I don't know what yours native cannot. Fish are always caught using bait. So mine like I say bait. The nabamkuru becomes the fish, then vanenge patopa kutorema
varume ndandisingade kunzwa side musadaro zvinotondisembura
utute pfungwa dzekunyenga muningi nomukadzi wako zvinenge zvabva kupi. Why would you ever think of that? Why would you ever vakuna toerera kure kuti wepedu vagoite sei vagokutya. Saka kana iye akuroera mumba make, what more kunzoko kwakamira sei?